3 bowls. And they turned out pretty good. A bit of a crack in this. But it doesn't go through. I tried to make the inside the same shape as the outside. So that's it. That's the kiln run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 teapots made it. Pretty cool, eh?